Do you have what it takes to be your own boss? Maybe you've thought, no, that's not for me. But you know, lots of people do it. They develop the desire and confidence and overcome the things they see as hurdles and barriers to getting started in self-employment. Let's have a look at what it takes to be your own boss. There's no specific job description for the perfect business owner. Everyone is different. But there are certain characteristics and attitudes that make some people more suited to running a successful business than others. In this video, we'll help you think about how the skills and experience you've got could help you when you start up your new business. What characteristics come to mind when you think about successful business people? Here are some of the words that are often used to describe people who've made it in business. Self-starter, positive outlook, self-confidence, good listening skills, creative thinker, perseverance, determination, good at negotiating, open to new ideas, willing to listen to advice, patient, a flexible attitude, a willingness to keep learning, a need to achieve, a willingness to take the initiative, organised, attends to detail, ability to get on with others, a decision maker, willing to take calculated risks, able to plan ahead. Do you think some of these qualities describe you? Spend a few minutes doing the exercise, assess your personal qualities. It's a simple quiz that will help you think about yourself and your suitability for running your own business. Good luck.